All right, so here we're gonna do this in two parts. So the first part, we're gonna just assign each of these specific categories to different types of information estimation scale. So there's 4 different types. The first is nominal, which is also categorical. So here, I can change that here. And this is for naming factors into like very definite characterizations. There's nothing quantitative about it. Next is ordinal. And this is more, the separation between the factors cannot be determined. It's a type of variable estimation scale, and it doesn't distinguish between each factor. Next is an interim scale, which is a sort of numerical scale.